So the next part is additional features, which Arvish will explain.
Moving on to the additional features module, this part is designed mainly for the admin to monitor account performance, apply trust, and view financial summaries. It is a back-end oriented section that uses loops, conditions, and mathematical operations for analytics and reporting. So the number one feature is interest calculation. In this feature, admin inputs an interest rate, for example 5%. For loop runs through all accounts, and for each one, interest is calculated using the formula. This interest is then added to the balance array of that user. In the backend, this shows how loops or arithmetic operators can be combined to update multiple records automatically. After processing, the system prints interest added successfully to all the accounts. The number two feature is to view highest account is to view highest balance account. This feature identifies which customer has the highest account balance. A loop scans all accounts and uses an if condition to compare each balance. A variable named max index stores the position of the current highest balance. After the loop ends, it displays the account's name, account number, and balance. Backend wise, this demonstrates comparison operations and how arrays can be used for record searching. The number third feature is to view accounts below balance threshold. This feature lists all accounts whose balances are below a specified amount, for example, 1000. The admin enters the limit and the program uses a loop with if condition to print accounts that meet the criteria. If no account matches, the else prints no accounts found below this threshold. This function demonstrates filtering, logic using conditions, and helps in real time financial analysis. The number fourth feature is total accounts summary. This option displays the total number of accounts currently active in the system. It simply prints the value of the counter variable total accounts, which increments each time a new account is added. This gives the admin a quick report of customer count without any manual calculation. Backend wise, this shows variable tracking and data management across modules. And the last one is back to main menu. The back to main menu option uses a simple break or return to exit the loop safely and return to the main control panel. This makes the navigation smooth without disturbing data in memory. In summary, this module uses loops for iteration, conditionals for decisions, arithmetic for interest calculation, and counters for summaries. It gives the system a more professional and complete structure, allowing admins to analyze, manage, and update accounts with just few inputs. Together with the admin panel and ATM services, it forms a complete, secure, and efficient banking simulation. Now, Saita will run the.
So let's explore the additional features of our bank management system. So here are various additional features. So let's start with interest calculation. So if you have to give bonus to every single person in your bank, so you'll write the interest rate. For example, you have to go for the 5% of interest. So your interest will be added to every account. So now we will view the highest balance account. So now the account with the highest balance will also include the 5% interest rate. So let's check. So highest account is 10500. So you can see that the interest rate is also added, plus the previous balance is also there. And now we can also check the account which are below the balance threshold. For example, our balance threshold amount is 500. So we can see that there was no account which had amount less than 500. So this is the thing, it did not print any account. For if let me just write a bigger amount to tell you how it works. For example, I'll keep the threshold amount to be a larger amount. For example, let's just keep it 50,000 for example. So you can see both the accounts got printed because both of them had amount less than 50,000. So this is how this function works. So the next is total account summary. It will print the number of accounts present in the bank. For that, so it printed two accounts. So altogether there are two accounts. Initially there were three, but we also deleted an account. So the program is running that way. And then we can go back to our main menu. So the next part is architectural diagram of our code. So this diagram just shows the flow of our logic and also the structures. For example, the first part is bank management system. It is the main control flow or the main management, which leads to the other main parts, which is admin panel, ATM services, help desk, additional features, ATM operations, and different things. Now, over here, I have uh, for admin panel, what it does and every logic, every flow is shown in the diagram. It adds an account, how it stores the account, how it deletes, how it views everything, and everything which me and my group members have already explained you. Then the ATM services, then the help desk, and then the additional features. And similarly, it also has this data storage layer, which shows how things are stored and how a user can use it and how it will be presented to a user. So now Atika will conclude our presentation.
To compute a bank management system is a complete simulation of real-life banking operations built entirely using programming language using direct C++ IDE. The system allows users to create accounts, deposit and withdraw money, transfer funds, and check balances. It also provides many statements and additional features like interest calculations, weighing the account with the highest balance, and identifying accounts below a balance threshold. From a design perspective, we structured the program to be manual-driven, secure, and user-friendly. We used arrays to store all account information, names, account numbers, passwords, balances, and transaction history. This approach ensures that multiple accounts can be managed efficiently, all operations are tracked, and data can be accessed or updated quickly during runtime. The admin panel allows authorized management of accounts, adding new users, deleting accounts, and resetting passwords. The evening survey section handles all customer transactions with proper checks for balance, availability, and ensures that transaction histories are maintained accurately. The helpdesk guides users through the system, making it easy even for new users to navigate without confusion. Overall, the project demonstrates a clear logical flow from data storage to user interaction. Data storage acts as the foundation, holding all essential information. Admin and ATM services handle the core banking operations securely. Help desk improve usability by providing guidance. Additional features enhance the system and provide extra functionality similar to real banking software. Through this project, we not only learn to apply programming concepts like arrays, loops, and conditionals in a practical scenario, but we also develop programming solving skills, logical thinking, and a teamwork. In essence, our bank management system is a functional, organized, and interactive simulation of a real banking environment, combining both backend data management and front-end user interaction effectively. It successfully achieves the goal of providing a complete banking experience in a secure and easy-to-use program. Thank you.
So let's also log out from our bank. For exit, they will ask, are you sure you want to exit? Yes. Thank you for using our bank.